sort of represents a new chapter in my life, new beginnings, starting my own brand, something I've always dreamed of. I think the most rewarding thing is creating skateboards, creating some cool graphics, and then seeing kids out there riding these boards or wearing our shirts. That means a lot to me, you know? ASUS collab right here. This is maybe the first computer skateboard collab I've ever seen. I'm hyped to skate it. I fell in love with skating when I was so young. Yeah, ever since I've been a little kid, I've always been known as this kind of fearless kid who just was down to hit these big rails even when I was just a few feet tall, and that's what I'm all about.